I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your phone. To get started, we're going to click the link in the description down below. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website, and then you're going to click the link so that it takes you to the correct Premiere Pro inside of your App Store. To get there, we're going to search Adobe Premiere Pro and then check that it is the Premiere Pro logo. It's a PR with a light purple and a dark purple, and then click on it just to double check that it is the official Premiere Pro app from Adobe. To do that, we're going to check the name and then check who owns the app. So it's Adobe Premiere Video Editor, and it's a movie maker, add text and audio. And then if you scroll down, check that the developer is in fact Adobe Incorporated. Once you've checked that it's the official Adobe Premiere Pro, click on that Get button and the download will start on your phone. Once the download's finished, you can launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your phone and start editing your videos for free. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions about how to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your mobile, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you would like a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit videos inside of Premiere Pro, then let me know in the comments down below and we can make a video for you to show you how to edit your first video inside of Adobe Premiere Pro completely free. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Premiere Pro as much as we do.